students. So as we were discussing in the last video lecture, so let us continue with our discussion on the chapter on sound. So in the last class I was telling that a sound travels in form of a wave. So before proceeding forward with sound, we should understand some of the terms related to wave. So let me just write in terms related to a wave. Let us try to understand one by one. First is something called as amplitude. Amplitude. So what is amplitude is, let me just take one wave. So let me just change the color. So if I have wave something like this, then the maximum displacement from the mean position, if you see, this will be the maximum displacement, right? Pardon me, in this case I think this will be the maximum displacement instead of the first one. So the maximum displacement of the wave from the mean position, this red line will be the mean position, is called your amplitude. So how much this displacement is, that is called your amplitude. So let me just write some of the important points related to this. So first one is, it is defined as maximum displacement from the mean position, So it is denoted by letter A, and its unit is given as meter. SI unit is meter. SI unit is meter. So these are the three important points related to amplitude. So amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement from the mean position. It is denoted by its small a and its SI unit is meter. So let us understand second important point. So second important term. So we have time period. So time period is nothing but the time taken by a particle to complete one vibration. So if this is a complete vibration, then how much time does a particle take to complete this full vibration is known as your time period. So let me just write it for you. Time taken by a particle to complete one vibration is known as time period. It is denoted by capital letter T and its SI unit is second. So what we have learned about time period? Time period is nothing but the time taken by a particle to complete one vibration. It is denoted by capital T and its SI unit is seconds. So that is the second term. The third term is frequency. So frequency, as all of you would have known, is the number of times anything that occurs. So frequency is nothing but number of times number of vibration produced by a particle in 1 second. So in a second, if there are 5 number of vibration produced, then I can say that the the frequency of that wave is 5 per second. It is denoted by small letter f, and its SI unit is per second, or also it's also written as hertz, Hertz. So this is hertz. So that is the frequency. So we have learned about amplitude, time period, frequency. So let us discuss about the last important terms related to a wave, that is your wavelength. So let me just write it for you. That is nothing but wavelength. So a wavelength is nothing but the distance traveled by the wave in one time period of vibration. So if I say this is a complete one time period for that wave, then the distance how much it covered will be your wavelength. So let me just write it for you. So I have wavelength is the distance traveled by the wave in one time period of vibration. So this is how we can understand wavelength. Wavelength is nothing but the distance traveled by the wave in one period of time. It is denoted by a Greek letter called lambda. It is written like this, lambda, and its unit is meter. So in this video we have come across amplitude. We understood what does it mean, how it is denoted, and what is its SI unit. And after that we went on to time period. We understood what is time period, how it is denoted, and what is its SI unit. After that we went on to frequency and wavelength. So before I conclude this video, let us try to understand the relation between time period and frequency. As I have told you, frequency is nothing but the number of vibration produced by a particle in 1 second. So it is nothing but 1 by t. So I can say that frequency is indirectly proportional to, or inversely proportional to, time period, and also t will be equal to 1 by f. So this is the relation that we have between time period and your frequency. So I hope this is clear. So with this I conclude this video. I hope everyone understood what we have discussed in this video. We just discussed about some of the terms related to a wave. Thank you all of you.